It happens to the best of us. You park your car on a busy city street to grab a bite to eat or to run your errands. You drop a few quarters in the meter, you check your watch, you look for the meter maid, and then you cross your fingers. When you return to your car, a bright orange paper is on your windshield. You've just been nailed by the city for being a few minutes late. Well, the fight against parking tickets has just heated up in the city of Los Angeles as two LA men have filed a lawsuit claiming the fines are so expensive that they're unconstitutional. The class action lawsuit filed by Jesus Pimentel and David Welch is open for other victims to join as plaintiffs. So what are the facts of the case? Both men were forced to pay $175 in fines for parking tickets, then denied due process to contest them. The initial $63 fine doubled if not paid in 14 days. On top of that, $49 was added in fees and collection costs. These costs are so great that the plaintiffs say they violate the 8th Amendment to the Constitution, which states, "Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted." Donald G. Norris, the attorney representing Pimentel, said, quote, "We believe that the parking meter penalties are oppressive and violate the prohibition against excessive fines in the United States and California Constitution because the fines are grossly disproportionate to the failure to put a dollar or two into the meter. Unfortunately, Los Angeles City appears to be attempting to remedy its fiscal woes on the backs of city residents and workers, whom in many cases can ill afford to pay such steep penalties." For average wage earners in the Los Angeles area, $175 represents nearly 2 days of work. For low-income Latinos in that area, the situation is even worse. The fine is over 3 days of average wages. The problem is compounded even more when people who can't pay the fines are restricted from registering their cars, which can ultimately lead to their vehicles being impounded. Those affected by the Los Angeles parking fines who wish to join the lawsuit may do so by emailing parking penalties at norgallaw.com.